Catchy Fusion. I'm Chalu. So today I'm going to unbox and review Ellish Box for the month of February. So let us quickly check the box contents. The tagline written here of Ellish Box: Be elegant, be lavish. The box has reached me. All the things were nicely bubble wrapped. So this is the info card. The first product from the box is Calming and Soothing Mist from the brand Penders. And this is a face mist and this is for all skin type. Quantity for this face mist is 100 ml and price for this one is 1435 rupees. So this is a full size product and this is looking interesting. For me, this is the main attraction of the box and I'm looking forward to use it and I'm quite happy to receive it. This is a wonderful product, I can say. The next is Ultra Shine lipstick from the brand Eleanor and the price for this one is 595 rupees. And quantity for this one is 3.4 gram. This is a full size product. This is a glossy lipstick. There were 4 shades to choose from and I have picked cranberry for me. Let me show you the shade. Wow, lovely. This is a pretty shade in the deep pink tone and this is the shade on the bullet. This is cranberry. So you just can check the lip swatch of this shade on my Insta page. This is the deep pink shade. This is a lovely pretty shade it is. The next is Kajal from the brand So Naturals and price for this one is 299 rupees and quantity for this one is 2.9 gram. This is also a full size product and it can be used as a kajal or as a eyeliner and this is in the black color and this is the stick. Yes, and the last is a Cramp Comfort Roll-On from the brand Loo Spray and the price for this one is 170 rupees and quantity for this one is 10 ml. This is a thoughtful product in a women box. This is a pain relief roll-on and it can be used during menstrual cycle for cramps and pain and this is 100% Ayurvedic and it's a must-have product for every woman. So just by paying 399 rupees you are getting products worth rupees 2500. So it's a value for money box. So I'm quite happy with the box. So that's all for the Ellish Box now. This month Ellish Box is a wonderful curation. I liked all the products. All the products are really useful. Please do subscribe my channel and if you have already done, you're welcome to Catchy Fusion family. I hope you like the video and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up to the video. If you have any queries regarding this box, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'm quite happy with the box this month. And this one curation is a wonderful curation. I'm quite happy with the products. From me, it's a thumbs up to the box. And with this, I'm just concluding my video for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good day.